Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys. Um, Today I'm going to share with you a fast, quick, and easy meal. You could have a full meal made within less than 30 minutes. Nowadays we don't have a lot of time, not even to cook and eat healthy. So guys, this is an open collaboration every Sunday at 7 p.m. And this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Melissa Buckeye Girls Recent Things, and myself truly, Deborah Cabasa Home Living. And now we also have our good friend. She used to be with us, and then she stopped, and now she's back and is at home with Lisa. Guys, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box. You could do a smoothie, a dessert, a cake, um, anything you like, as long as you show us your meal, because we eat every day. So, like Anna said, we eat every day. So as matters we're recording and share it with the world and show people what you eat. Different nationalities eat different things. For example, me, I am Spanish, Puerto Rican from the island, but my husband is Italian. So some days we make pasta, some days we make seafood, fish, etc. Um, um, I don't eat a lot of beef. I do eat beef, but it's like maybe once every 2 or 3 months. So today I have some little pieces of steak here. I'm gonna be making that with some onions and some vegetables, and I'm also going to be making rice. And of course, I love my vegetables, so I'm going to be adding some other things. So guys, I'm going to get ready. I'm going to chop up all my vegetables, and then I'm gonna come back to you with a little bit of progress. Well, guys, here in the back, I have a cup of rice, just simple white rice. Um, just cooking there, little fire, just 1 cup because it's just my husband and I. So here I have my pot heating up. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil, 100% olive oil, just a little bit. And then to that, I want to add some garlic. Remember, guys, I told you we love garlic, which is good for high blood pressure, cholesterol, and all that other stuff. So we're going to be adding, I add actually a full spoon. So with that, we add that. And then sofrito, I use two for this. So we add that there. And to that, we're going to sear the meat. We're going to add that there, and we're going to stir into all those flavors blend together. Yeah, guys. So I'm going to let that cook a little bit. I will add some other spices, what I will show you, what I will be adding to that. So guys, I'll be right back with a little bit of more progress. All right, guys, off camera, I added some adobo and black pepper. I don't add salt because this has all that stuff in it. And of course, more garlic. So guys, I add that in there. I added 2 bay leaves for flavor. And I'm gonna show you what other spices I'm going to be adding. So I'm going to be adding some, this is what I'm going to be adding: peppers, mushrooms, onions, uh, Brussels sprouts. Yeah, Brussels sprouts, the mini ones, and some cilantro leaves. So I'm going to add that there. I'm going to stir it. The rice is almost done, and then I'm gonna show you as I go along with this. But for now, let's add the onions. Let's add the onions, the peppers, and the Brussels sprouts. The rest of like the mushrooms, I will add it, and I'm gonna add the bay leaves too. The mushroom I will add them last because I don't want it to be smooshy. I like to have my mushroom with a little bit of bite to it. So we're gonna add that there. We're gonna let that steam for a little bit and let all those flavors blend together. So yeah, guys. And then I'm gonna come back at you and show you all the progress. So I'll be right back. And guys, this is an open collaboration. I think I mentioned that already. Anyways, guys, I'll be right back and show you some progress. And then after that, I will show you how I'm going to play this and what I'm going to use to accompany this meal. Guys, to be honest with you, I wish we had smell-o-vision so you guys can smell this. It's looking good. It smells delicious. Oh, yes. I'm telling you, it smells absolutely delicious. So, I'll be right back, guys. Well, guys, the food is complete. So now I'm going to show you how does it look. And this is my husband's plate, and it looks like this. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that beef, rice, and guys, my avocado, it wasn't good. It was black inside, so yeah, unfortunately. But guys, when you avocado, it wasn't completely black, but when you, I'm gonna give you a tip, which I do for my hair. When your avocado has spots like this, they're black and stuff, and you see, they're not good enough to eat because they're too mushy. What you do is you put it in a blender, you add extra virgin olive oil, give yourself a hair mask for at least an hour, wash it off with whatever shampoo of your choice, and you will have nice and silky hair. That is the hair mask that I grew up from Puerto Rico since I was a little girl, my mother doing for our hair. So guys, I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and I love you too. And from my family to yours, bon appetit. Bye bye.